Today we will see how we can shift modes in Blender. Modes are nothing but changing the environment around the viewport for our convenience for creating animations. The Mode section is seen on the top left-hand side of the viewport in Blender. You can see in the screen marked and outlined in red color. Click the button icon which is set to Object Mode by default. You will see a list of options getting popped up in the drop-down, which has options to select different modes: Object Mode, Edit Mode, Sculpt Mode, Vertex Mode, Weight Paint, Texture Paint. Now click on the Edit Mode option. The mode will be changed from Object Mode to Edit Mode. Now we can see two new menus appearing in the Blender dashboard on the left-hand side, which are marked in red color seen on the screen. Now we can drag the menu icon which is horizontally long, as shown in the screen. We can see the drop-down button. We can drag down and see more options. You can see a short menu which is further subdivided into 3 sections: Edit Vertex Mode, Edit Edge Mode, Edit Face Mode.